Infinitives are formed by using the word to plus the base form of any verb. This is the most basic structure in English grammar. For example, to run, to eat, and to learn all follow this simple pattern of to plus base verb. An infinitive uses to plus the base form of a verb. This creates forms like to run, to eat, or to learn. Infinitives work as nouns, adjectives, or adverbs within sentences. They appear in examples like I want to learn English, she loves to sing, and they plan to travel soon. An infinitive always follows the pattern to plus base verb. This basic structure never changes. Infinitives serve three main roles in sentences. They work as nouns, adjectives, or adverbs depending on their position and purpose. Infinitives act as nouns, adjectives, or adverbs in sentences. As nouns, they become subjects or objects. As adjectives, they describe nouns. As adverbs, they explain purpose or reason. Examples include I want to learn English, and she studies hard to improve her grades. When infinitives act as nouns, they function as subjects, objects, or complements. To learn becomes the subject in to learn is important. It serves as the object in I want to learn. Her goal is to succeed shows infinitive as subject complement. Infinitives acting as adjectives always follow and describe nouns. Time to study explains which time. A book to read describes which book. The best place to visit tells which place. The infinitive directly modifies the noun that comes before it. Infinitives as adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They usually answer why or how. She runs to stay fit explains purpose. He is too tired to continue modifies the adjective tired. I study hard to succeed shows reason for studying. An infinitive uses to plus the base form of any verb. Common examples include to be, to do, to see, to eat, to go, to make, to learn, to run, to write, and to speak. This base form never changes regardless of person or tense.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.